Fish farming is one of the fastest ways to turn water into money. But not every fish will give you profit. If you choose the wrong species, you could waste months and lose everything. In this video, I'll show you the most profitable fish to farm, especially for beginners. Let's go from pond to profits. Number 1. Catfish. This is the king of fish farming in many parts of Africa. Why? Fast growth, strong survival rate, high market demand, can live in crowded ponds. Catfish can reach market size in just 4 to 6 months. If you are starting small, this is the safest option. Number 2. Tilapia. Tilapia is one of the most farmed fish in the world. It grows fast and feeds cheaply because it eats plants and algae. But there is a catch. Tilapia reproduces quickly, which can overcrowd your pond if not controlled. Managed properly, it's a money maker. Number 3. Hybrid catfish. This fish grows faster and larger than regular catfish. Many farmers prefer it because it reaches stable size quicker. Faster growth equals faster profit. Number 4. Carp. Carp are hardy fish that tolerate different water conditions. They are widely farmed globally and can grow to large sizes. Perfect for larger ponds. And here is a surprising one: ornamental fish. Instead of farming fish for food, some people farm fish for aquariums. Species like koi and goldfish can sell for high prices. Small fish, big profit. Fish farming is not just about raising fish, it's about choosing the right fish. Start small, learn the process, and grow your farm step by step. Because with the right knowledge, you can truly go from pond to profits. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more fish facts and aquaculture tips.